Hello everyone, myself Abhishek Nath. I am a final year computer science student of Caltech University. We have designed a website for South Western Railway in our final year project. As you can see, the home screen of the website, a user needs to have a valid ID and password for logging in to the system. After a user gets logged in, he will be shown the recent failures. It gives the overview of all the failures that have occurred and that has been entered by any of the user. It shows the recent failures that has occurred along with the user who have entered into the system and the date of which the data was entered or the date of failure. We have designed the failure module where user need to enter the failure record. The user can select a division along with a class and equipment type, equipment ID, date of installation, date of failure and failure remarks. The equipment class and equipment type and equipment ID can be fetched from equipment that data has been already previously entered by any user. Coming to cable cut entry. In the signaling and telecommunication department, cables are being used like quad cable, 4-part or AFC cables. Here many occurrence of cable cut due to groundwork or any other work, cable gets damaged. So to keep a record of the cable cut, its corrections, we have a form. The user need to enter the date, the station form, station 2 and the kilometers between them, the equipment and the cost of cut, along with the penalty imposed and to whom to it is imposed, along with the remarks for the record. The user can also search a record. Like if you enter any record in the past, you can search it later. So it gives you the overview of the record that you want to see. You can put the date and from and date to for which you want to see the record and you can click search. Here you can give the details of all the failures that has been occurred between these two date range. Once you get the report, you can export it to CSV, Excel format or Word or directly print it from the website. The same can be done for the cable cut. If you need to enter the date and from and date to and check for the record. If any records are found, you can get to see and directly print it from here or save to Word or save to Excel format. You can also modify record like previously if while entering record there has been mistake or if you want to delete any previous record, you can do it from the here. You can select a division and date of failure for which there has been a mistake or you want to delete the record, you can directly delete it from here. We have also designed a forum for them where you can create category, subcategory and topic for which a discussion can take place. Coming to the forum homepage, you can see various categories that are available. You can select a category and then you can get into subcategories. You can also create a new thread or a subcategory. After that, when you click subcategory, you get to see the topics. Previous topics are already been listed here. And if you want to create a new topic, you can type the name of new topic and you can click on submit. This adds a new topic in the page. When you click on the topic discussion is being shown overhead along with the author and date of entering the topic. You can also post your reply. You post your reply over here and submit all and the reply gets entered over here.